In this video, we are going to fix an error downloading iTunes application and Microsoft Store. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first solution that you need to do is you need to disable conflicting software. So if you have any third-party software that is running in your PC, I want you to disable that temporarily. And once you have succeeded on the downloading for the iTunes, you can enable it again. Okay? So check if the error has been resolved. However, if not, then navigate to the next solution, and that is to disable the security. So if you have an antivirus running in your PC, please disable that. Or you can simply navigate here at the taskbar. You can see a forward arrow key. Go with the shield so that you can open the Windows security. And after that, I want you to navigate to the virus and threat protection. And here you need to navigate to the settings of that. Click on manage settings and please turn all of this off. Okay, once done, try to run again the downloading for the iTunes and check if it's working. However, if not, then let's move on to the next solution, and that is you need to clear the Microsoft Store cache. Press Windows key and R key together. In that way, you'd be able to open this small window called Run. Type for wsreset.exe. Click on the OK button, and please wait until this would be finished. Okay. So once you are done with this, try to download again the iTunes and see if it's working. Now, if you found this video helpful, then kindly like and subscribe. You may also click or turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you and have a good day.